After Hanuman returned from Lanka with the wonderful news that Princess Sita was safe, Lord Rama and his brave friends hurried to the shore of the great ocean. Across the sparkling waters stood the golden kingdom of Lanka. But there was one big problem. The ocean was far too wide for the entire army to cross. For a moment, everyone wondered, how will we ever reach the other side? Rama looked at his friends with calm confidence and said, inspired by his words, thousands of Vanaras sprang into action. Some carried giant rocks on their shoulders. Others gathered trees and logs from the forest. Even the smallest squirrels wanted to help. They rolled tiny pebbles and grains of sand into the growing bridge. The larger animals smiled at the little squirrels, thinking their tiny efforts would not make much difference. But Rama gently picked up one little squirrel and lovingly stroked its back. Every act of kindness matters, Rama said. No contribution is too small when it comes from a sincere heart. The squirrels happily continued their work, and soon everyone realized that every stone, every branch, and every grain of sand helped make the bridge stronger. Day after day, the bridge stretched farther across the ocean. With teamwork, patience, and determination, the impossible slowly became possible. At last, the magnificent bridge reached Lanka. The entire Vanara army cheered with joy as they crossed together, ready to rescue Sita and stand up for what was right. No one had built the bridge alone. It was the result of thousands of helping hands, brave hearts, and one shared purpose. Moral: teamwork turns impossible dreams into reality. No act of kindness is too small. And when everyone gives their best, amazing things can happen.